Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use QuillBot. But what is the meaning of QuillBot? QuillBot is a paraphrasing and summarizing tool that helps millions of students and professionals reduce their writing time by more than half. Okay, so this is QuillBot, and all you have to do is simply create an account in order for you to use this tool. And for you also to get access latest versions and features, then you have to upgrade to premium. So this one is the original version and this side is the rephrase version. So for example, let's look or find a summary of the story Romeo and Juliet. So click this one and then look for a site or link, and then you have to click that. Now you have to copy a small portion or just a small sentences, few sentences, and then copy, go back to QuillBot and then paste it here, and then tap paraphrase. Okay, so once you tap this paraphrase, of course, they will offer this QuillBot's premium. So you just have to X this one or skip this one. It's okay, you can still continue. So this is the result, and all you have to do is simply copy this one and paste it anywhere. But you could also tap any options above here and find the one which you think is the best. Now you cannot access to others here because you need to upgrade to premium. But of course, with or without premium, you can use this QuillBot, okay, to paraphrase any story, summary, or other thing. Because aside from paraphrasing, QuillBot also offers other features here. So you just have to explore this tool, and you see that this one is very useful. Now, if you want to go to QuillBot, all you have to do is to click on the link below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.